This is the MSi Clutch GM10 gaming mouse, and at around £20 in the UK, it's aimed at the more budget conscious gamer. So looking at the mouse, it's a decent size, designed to fit right-handed gamers comfortably. On the back is an illuminated MSi Dragon logo in red, which has a fixed breathing effect. The scroll wheel lights up too, and this shows you your sensitivity setting. So just behind there is this DPI settings button, and each click of this changes the colour of the light on the scroll wheel, as well as your DPI settings. So it turns blue for 800 DPI, red for 1000, which is the default, green for 1600, and purple for 2400 DPI. Now there isn't any software support like Mystic Light or anything like that with this mouse, so the colours are pretty much set, you can't change them. And there's also no extra functionality with just the basic buttons being present. You've got the usual left click and right click, and of course the clickable scroll wheel. Now the mouse has a response time rated at just 1 millisecond. The switches that they've used are rated for over 10 plus million clicks, and you can tell they do feel really good. The quality is definitely there. The cable is a decent length at 1.8 meters, and at the end is a gold plated USB connector. Now the mouse itself is made from a really light plastic, although this in no way means that it feels cheaply made. On the contrary, the dragon scale texture on the sides, which give a surprisingly comfortable grip, and the ergonomics of the mouse give a very pleasant experience. As I said earlier, it's a decent size, and it does fit my somewhat sizable hand very nicely. The GM10 is very light at just 104 grams. A little too light for me, to be honest, but using it I did feel that the responsiveness and agility was there that I found lacking in some budget mice that I've used in the past. So should you buy this mouse? Well, if you are looking for a no frills budget mouse that hasn't got loads and loads of buttons that you don't really need, you want something that's light and nimble, and you want it to last, then this should definitely be on your shortlist, and I'd say it's a fantastic bargain buy. So huge thanks to MSi for loaning me the GM10 for review. I'll leave links to it in the description below so you can check it out in more detail or pick one up for yourself if you want one. Please don't forget to use our Amazon or Overclockers links, they really do help to keep the channel going. Give this video a like if you liked it. Got loads more videos coming soon, and the best way not to miss any of those is to subscribe below. It doesn't cost a thing. Well, thanks for watching, and I will see you later.